The B-21 Raider is the United States Air Force's newest stealth bomber, designed as a sixth-generation aircraft with advanced technology that makes it nearly invisible to radar. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the B-21 is intended to replace the aging B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit bombers while complementing the long-serving B-52 Stratofortress. It is capable of carrying both nuclear and conventional weapons, giving it a critical role in future warfare. Unlike earlier bombers, the B-21 has been built with open system architecture, which allows new technology and weapons to be integrated more easily over time. Its stealth design improves survivability, while its long range and ability to operate in highly contested airspaces make it one of the most advanced bombers ever developed. The aircraft represents a major leap forward in U.S. airpower and is expected to enter service in the mid-2020s, ensuring America maintains a strategic advantage in global defense. The B-21 Raider is not just an upgrade but a complete redesign for modern warfare. Unlike older bombers, it has cutting-edge stealth features that make it extremely difficult for enemy radars to detect. It is also more cost-efficient and easier to maintain compared to the B-2 Spirit, which was very expensive to operate. Another unique feature is its flexibility. It can fly with or without a crew, meaning it has the potential to operate as a fully autonomous drone in the future. With advanced sensors, secure communication systems, and the ability to carry precision-guided weapons, the B-21 ensures that the U.S. Air Force will remain ahead of potential threats. This bomber is a key part of America's strategy to counter rising military powers and maintain global security well into the 21st century. When compared with its predecessors, the B-21 Raider shows a clear leap in technology and design. The older B-52 Stratofortress, first introduced in the 1950s, is still powerful but relies on size, range, and heavy payload rather than stealth. The B-2 Spirit, introduced in the late 1980s, was the first true stealth bomber, but it is extremely costly to operate and maintain, with only 21 ever built. The B-21 Raider, however, is designed to combine the stealth of the B-2 with greater efficiency, easier maintenance, and lower costs. It will be cheaper per unit, more adaptable to future upgrades, and able to penetrate even the most advanced air defense systems. This makes the B-21 not just a replacement, but the future backbone of America's bomber fleet, bridging the gap between traditional long-range bombers like the B-52 and cutting-edge stealth platforms like the B-2.